Good morning students. So in this class we are going to discuss about focal length of lenses in contact. So consider two thin lenses in contact. So the principal axis, so it's coaxially, it's in contact. So two lenses are thin lenses, so that the point P is a common center for both lens 1 and 2. So the object is placed at O beyond the focus. So that object, so light from the object, it falls on the lens 1, it produces the image at I dash. So the I dash is the image. So the image, the I dash acts as the object for the lens 2. So at this point, so the light from I dash, that is image, so the I dash is a object for the lens 2, it creates a final image at I. So from the object it creates a image I dash using the lens 1. So the I dash is the image, it acts as the object for the lens 2, it produces a final image at I. So, so P is a common point. So here, so object distance, that PO is object distance U, then image distance, so it's V dash, then PA is that image distance, that is final image distance. So the lens equation for first lens, so lens 1, so 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So the lens F1, so that object distance, so 1 by V image distance, that is V dash, so minus 1 by U, so it's in negative direction. Then focal length of first lens 1 by F1. So similarly for lens 2, so the object distance, that is 1 by V here, that image distance, then object distance, so here that I dash is acts as the object, so it's 1 by U, so it's minus 1 by V dash is equal to 1 by F2. So adding equation 1 and 2, just see, plus 1 by V dash, here minus 1 by V dash. If you are adding, both are cancelled, so plus and minus, so 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. So we take it as 1 by F1 plus F2 as capital 1 by F. So 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So 1 by F is the focal length of that combination of two lenses in contact. So here, if it is a n number of lenses, if it is two lenses, 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. If it is n number of lenses, that is 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus 1 by F3 and so on. Then P is the power of that combination of lens. If it is two lenses, P1 plus P2. If it is n number, that is P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus and so on. So the power of lens, the net power of the lens, if it is in contact, so it is the algebraic sum. So the power may be positive or negative. So if it is for convex or concave lens, the power value is positive or negative. So it should be a algebraic sum. Then, so the magnification, so the net magnification, that the total magnification of the lenses are connected, if it is in contact, it's a product of individual lens magnification. So again and again one point, so that image formed by the first lens is acts as the object for second lens and so on. If it is a combination of so many lenses, so the combination of lens, we can get the desired converging or diverging lens using a desired magnification. So that combination of lenses enhance the sharpness of the image. So the object, so the image is acts as the object for the second lens, you will get the image, this is a final image. If it is a combination of so many lenses, you will get the more sharp image. So the combination of lenses gives the desired, that is sharpness of the image, that is enhances the sharpness of the image. Then, so next, so here if it is lenses in contact, so lenses in not contact, it's given in the book, but in a new version, so that part is removed, instead they have included silvered lenses. So it's a lens, so convex lens, so the outer part is silvered. So here this part is lens, that is a convex lens. So light is incident, it travels through the lens, then that the rear side is silvered, so it's reflected back. So light travels two times in the lens, so it is incident and reflected, so it's silvered. So the power of a lens, so power is equal to, so power of a lens, it goes 1, then it is a mirror, so it is a silvered, so it's a mirror, again it's compact, so it's PL, so PL is the power of a lens, PM is the power of a mirror, so it acts as a mirror. So PL plus PL, you will get 2PL plus PM. Then, so the power, the total power of a silvered lens is, so P is equal to 1 by minus of. So if it is for lens, that is a reciprocal of focal length of a lens. If it is a mirror, it's a negative reciprocal of focal length of the mirror. So if it is a concave mirror, so just see, it's a concave. So the mirror, that is silvered side is outside, so the light is inside, it's a concave mirror. So concave mirror with the negative focal length is converging mirror. So it's a converging mirror, it's a converging mirror with positive power. So just use, so P is equal to minus, that is 1 by minus F equal to, then it's 2 times, so 2 by FL plus 2 by FL plus 1 by minus FM. So that silvered lens is also called modified mirror. If you use the mirror equation 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F to solve the problem, to find the object distance and image distance. So in this class we have discussed, so focal length of lenses in contact and silvered lens. So okay students.